These are just beautiful. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there. Hope you're all looking after yourselves. Today we are reviewing this beautiful model. This is the Jordan Airship Awake New York, an absolutely beautiful rendition of the Jordan Airship. And before we do that, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do. And please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro 808 Kicks HO. We'll talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because there's a lot of bad behavior out there. And please do just go and follow 808 Kicks HO. Absolutely dope. He's the bro. We always kind of break it down, and that's where the actual podcast originated from. And please also make sure you keep hitting your goals and your targets for 2024, and keep aiming and keep progressing and keep hitting all your targets and goals, because we want you to win. I want you to win, because you need to keep winning, guys. And also today, going back to the sneaker, this is the Jordan Airship Awake New York, an absolutely beautiful rendition of the Jordan Airship. Now let's get into the B-roll. As you can see from the B-roll, guys, this sneaker is absolutely phenomenal. This is the Jordan Airship Awake in New York, an absolutely beautiful rendition of the actual Jordan Airship. But before we look at this amazing sneaker, let's take a look at the box, because the box is special. I'm actually going to try and cut down the box reviews a bit more, because basically we're all interested in the sneaker rather than the box. But before we look at the sneaker, this is a special box. This is why I got to look at this, because this is the Awake Air box, and as you can see, it's got Awake and Jumpman on the top of this, all black box on the top upper, and obviously you can see the underbox. Look at that snake skin on the underbox. That is special. That is awesome. That is dope as well. But like we say, on the bottom of this, we've got the affiliated writing, but it does also have where I'm from, basically where I'm from. And also inside the box as well, the tissue paper is absolutely phenomenal on this as well. When you look at this tissue paper, well, you give you some stamps as well. Look at that, stamps there. Basically got where I'm from, Brooklyn, Air Jordan, State Island, Queens, Bronx, and Manhattan. Absolutely dope. These are stickers you can put anywhere, and it's got a booklet all on the Awake ship. This is a special booklet. This is not just got the Jordan Airship. It's got basically the Awake Jordan Airship, because it breaks down the actual sneaker itself, every single detail on the sneaker. If you got this actual Airship, you need to read this book. It's absolutely dope. I actually had a read, and it's so dope. But inside the box, you got all the tissue papers and stuff like that, but you've got this special tissue paper. And let me zoom out, guys, because this is not just any tissue paper. This is the Jordan Awake Airship tissue paper, which has got the map of Brooklyn on this as well. That is dope. That is super dope. And if you guys didn't already know, the box itself, they put this tissue paper away, the box itself has got the coordinates, not to the Awake Airship store. If you put these coordinates in, it will take you to Brooklyn. It will take you to the state of Brooklyn. This is the coordinates. These coordinates on the actual airship lead you to Brooklyn. That is absolutely dope. That's absolutely super dope. And also, guys, the box label reads like this, should be like this, and it comes like this. And the box label does say Air Jordan Ship PESP, and basically sell Black University Red, which is the color on the actual snake skin. And obviously it's a UK 10, US 11, and my size is obviously 10, and EU 45. The code on this is FN8675100. That's how it should be. That's how it should look. That's how it should come, guys. And make sure it comes like this, because now it's time to look at the sneaker itself, because this sneaker is absolutely dope. When you actually look at this sneaker, it is predominantly white on the uppers. You've got that metallic swoosh with the underlay of that University Red, which is absolutely fantastic with that fabric. The actual leather on this is dope, guys. The leather on this is the softest leather I felt on like a lot of sneakers recently, because this is the Amamanier airships is tough. but it's soft. This is softer. This is like it's already been broken down. It has got this absolutely buttery tumbled effect to this actual sneaker. It's absolutely dope. You got the swoosh on the outside, which is the metallic swoosh. This is leather metallic, not actually kind of 3M. I thought it was going to be 3M. It's not. It's just leather metallic on the inside as well. And obviously you've got this beautiful single stitch A, which represents the Awake airship. Absolutely dope, absolutely phenomenal. And then obviously I'm not going to break down the Jordan airship because obviously go and check out the other reviews. I've actually broken them down, but you've got that actual strap there as well. You've got that actual like plastic, like almost like fabric nylon strap. They're not plastic, but basically it comes with this such a good finish to this actual sneaker. The leather on this is absolutely buttery and soft, guys. It just bounces back. Look at that bounce back. It is going to feel like almost soft on premium on feet. It's not even going to crease. This sneaker is not going to crease, guys. It comes also with this like almost this metallic jump tag, a Jumpman hang tag as well, which is dope. And then the most impressive thing about this is the crocodile effect. This leather on this upper is stiff and it's embossed with this crocodile effect and the crocodile print, and it's got that Nike airship or Nike Air on the back, which is absolutely fantastic, which has got this red crocodile skin which separates the two swooshes at the back. That's fantastic. That's super dope. And obviously every single one of these airships, the ones that actually come out from the boutique, has got this almost like this pink or this peach haze to this actual tongue, which comes with this sneaker as well. It's got a wake on the back of the ear tongue, and then it's also got the Nike Air on this actual tongue as well. Absolutely dope and fire. This is a dope rendition of the actual sneaker. The inner linings on this as well is all red, and obviously the insole on this as well, taking out the tissue paper, is red as well. I'm not going to try and pull out the insole, but it's just got that Nike Air on this as well. That's super dope. That's super fire. White laces come with this originally, which is so nice, because I think I'm going to keep these white laces. I might actually lace one of these up for red for the actual on feet, but I'm going to keep white laces just to show the contrast, because it's always good to show the contrast. But look at that, guys, absolutely beautiful. And on the actual right hand side, you've got red laces which come with this, which is another fire look, because like I said, you get two sets of laces, white and red. And obviously has it got a wake? No, it's got Nike Air on this. I thought it might have the wake sign on the actual insole there, but it doesn't. That's dope. That's fire. Polyurethane midsole on this as well, which is dope. This has got this almost like this, basically it's been sailed out or yellowed out as well, just like the Mania airships and all the other airships that come out with that same kind of effect. You can wipe this clean. The BRoll Scott Simpson's wiped this clean already, and he showed me you can wipe it clean if you don't like that effect, because you can just kind of get a like almost like a wet wipe, just wipe it clean, it's fine. But obviously you still got that single stitch A on the actual outside or the lateral side, but basically that is such a dope look. It gives more of that authenticity to the sneaker. And then on the outsole it's a bit different, because I thought this was going to be predominantly red, but it's not. It's got this translucent feel to this, almost like you can see through the outsole, and it's like supposed to be red, but it's not. And it's like kind of very ridden through, like walk through, and it's got this like white effect, like this chalky white effect, like you've been walking on concrete. That's super dope. That's super fire. I love this sneaker. This is an absolutely dope rendition of the airships, and this is probably one of my favorites, along with the Mania airships. This is probably one of my favorites. It just brings such a different look to this. This actually came out for us in the EU and UK about a couple of months or month after the actual release, because this actually came out on the 13th of April, which is a bit weird because they've staggered the release by a month and a bit. But yeah, that's still nice, because I was actually going to cop this on the resale market because it didn't release in the UK, but I'm glad I didn't, because the resale prices have dropped dramatically. It's going to go under retail like every other airship, so who cares, guys, because this is still a beautiful rendition. And look at that beautiful sneaker. But like I do on this channel, I'm going to give you that lateral side, I'm going to give you that medial side, I'm going to give you that beautiful booty action with the actual Nike Air on the back. Oh, he's got that Awake NY on this, because this is the actual right hand side, but on the left hand side it's got the Nike Air on the back, which is dope, which is absolutely dope. And then I'm going to give you that beautiful outsole. Look at that beautiful outsole, giving you that 360-degree rotation. Make sure it's on your feet. Make sure you keep bringing the heat, and make sure you keep bringing the heat to the streets, guys. Bang, bang, and bang. This is a beautiful rendition of the Airship. I'm gonna give this a 5 goats. This is automatically one of my favorite airships. I'm not even joking. They are bringing, all the boutiques are bringing the heat, and I might do a review on all the boutique actual airships because that is so dope. Like all the airships, the Gotham, the Soul Goods, the Amamanier, there's so many good ones. I need to rate them. I need to kind of go through the list and give you my ratings for them because I might do that next. But this is a beautiful, beautiful rendition, and this is a beautiful sneaker. 5 goats is well deserved for the sneaker. Such a soft. Look at that bounce back, guys. Look at that bounce back. Told me another sneaker with the same quality as this at the moment. The Amamanier airships is dope, don't get me wrong. This is broken in tumbled leather, which is obviously give you that tumbled effect on the leather anyway, but the panels on this is thick as well. The panels on this actual airship is thick. Such a beautiful sneaker, such a beautiful rendition, such a beautiful airship. But guys, if you didn't know, they replaced the Jordan 1 with the Jordan airship over the last couple of years, but that might be changing, if you know what I mean. Go and check out the actual on feet because I'm gonna do the on feet at the end of this review that's coming out shortly. But this was the review for the Jordan Airship Awake New York. Absolutely beautiful, 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 beautiful rendition of this sneaker. Such a beautiful sneaker. Definitely deserves my 5 goats. That was a review, guys. Like I always say at the end of reviews, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always showing love and support. And thank you for always tuning in. But for me, TJ, I love Kit Customs. Hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like because you all deserve to get the sneakers you want. And also, wait for the on feet, guys. For me, TJ, I love Kit Customs. Peace out for now, guys. And peace.
I just discovered Crown, the iced coffee, kind of turned up in her right now. You know what I'm saying? I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just set fire to the booth, the chosen one like Luke. I spread my wings, I'm still in love like truth. I ran myself full circle like hoops, bobbing, weaving through the traffic like coops. Underrated on the pavement like some high-tech boots. Take my aim at the game and I shoot. Missed the target by a measure, now I do it for pleasure. Ain't no rush, I can pop off at my leisure. It ain't on me, boys in me, so I won't lose my clever. Plus I'm straight, I ain't hurting for cheddar. That's an old school reference, got a real shit preference. I come at you with deference. I ain't studying you stepping, I don't care what you reppin'. I'm west side to the death end. I'm A-town, ain't no guessing. Nothing more, nothing less. Ain't gon' ask for no blessing. I come through with the wrecking. I'm low-key, no suspecting. You won't notice no weapon. I'm wide awake, you been sleeping. I unsended the message. If I do miss some betting, it's on me, bring that check in. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just set fire to the booth. I'm coming back with more flavors. Put it all on the table. Similar to Jada, maybe it'll dawn on you later. I stay true to my nature, boy, I ain't never been a hater. I'm suave like Draper, may not eat all my papers. Deaf to all the fakers, I'm just keeping it player. Out for vengeance like Vader, I'ma stay on the radar. Young in spirit, old soul, that's my gift from the maker. Walk the earth and sprinkle nourishment, something you can savor. You'll be thanking me later, I'm a piece in the cut. I've been thinking too much, let me open the cover. Eat it up, don't be stubborn, let me add a little mustard. Ain't that good to your belly, I hate to see you suffer. And it's gonna make you